Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another night out taking pictures. Not time for the sunset yet. I came out a bit earlier. Still really smoky in the sky. You can probably see behind me. Normally this would be like clear blue. I'm at Rathtrevor Beach, which is a provincial park close by, and just came to walk around. So I don't anticipate, kind of came out not anticipating taking any great photos. And as you see, I'm squinting with the sun coming through. I'll probably be heading home before the sun sets, and the sun sets kind of behind the beach anyways. This is where to go for the morning, which I will probably come out when the tide is out, because I'm out on the tide. The tide is just coming in now, and when the tide is out, you can walk for about 1 kilometer out there. So we should get some epic sunrises here, not so much necessarily on the sunsets. But I'm gonna walk around. There's a nice little forest area too, see if we can get some pictures, just to maybe, I've got the X100v tonight that I'll be using to see if I can get some snapshots. Not looking for anything in particular, just a night out and just a walk along the beach. That's kind of half the fun of getting out to take photos. You sometimes don't even necessarily get any photos, but it's just nice to get outside, get some fresh air, and enjoy the last little bit of summer before fall hits.